Peak performance. To maintain your best shave, we recommend replacing the shaver head every 18 months. Efficient shaving. Featuring 5 shaving elements to cut through millions of hairs with ease. Perfect shave in one stroke. With this shaver head's 5 perfectly synchronized shaving elements. Simple replacement. Easily attach your new shaver head, just by clicking it on. Quality craftsmanship. 100% made in Germany and compatible with Series 9 electric shavers. Within 18 months, Braun shavers cut an average of 6 million hairs. That comes with some gradual wear to the cutting parts, which can lead to a less comfortable shave. That's why Braun recommends changing your shaver's foil cutter block every 18 months to get your shaver back to its best. Take care of your shaver, and it'll take care of you. Top reviews from the United States. I always use the Braun OEM replacement shaver heads. Although the Braun replacement electric shaver heads are more expensive than some of the aftermarket versions, they are well worth the extra money, because they seem better made and more effective when you want to renew your shaver.